Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on TestLink from rcvacademy.com. In this tutorial, we will cover a bit about administration of TestLink and how you can add new users in TestLink. So till now we have seen the basic functionality of TestLink or test management in TestLink. Now we'll see a bit of administrative functionalities and how you can do the TestLink administration. So at the top you can see, if you just hover, there is a user management icon. If you click on the user management icon, it will list all the users that are available in TestLink. So there is a default user which is the administration or admin user that I'm logged in as, and you need to be admin user to add or remove users in TestLink. Now you have different roles. You can define users, you can define roles, you can assign test project roles, and you can assign test plan roles as well, right? So there are different user management functionalities and we'll cover these one by one. So to add users, you can simply click on create button, okay, and provide the user details. So you can, you can provide the login name, okay, and the first name and the last name. You can provide the password and email, and depending on the role. So for example, there are some default roles available. You can define your own role as well. So for example, in your project you have different roles available, say test lead and senior tester, or just tester. Depending on what role is there, you can define or you can assign that particular role to that particular user. So for example, John is the team leader, so you just assign the leader role, and then you select the locale. So select which locale it belongs to, and authentication method, just leave it to default. And if you want to assign an expiration date for that particular user, you select the date for that. Otherwise, just click on save. So you have to provide the email as well. So I'll just provide some email, dummy email, and click on save. So now you can see another user, John, whose role is leader, has been added to the list, right? Now to add the roles, click on view roles, and you can see these two system roles, 1 and 2, and then this one. These are the system roles, these are reserved, and the rest are the roles that are defined by default in TestLink. You can create new roles as well, right? So you can create, just click on create role, and it will open all the rights that particular new role you want to assign. So for example, I want to have a new role as test manager in my team. So what all rights that particular new role that you are defining as an administrator will have. So whether he can create, edit test plan, build, create test planning, test plan, execute metrics, etc. So you can select what all details or what all rights, access rights, that particular user will have. So depending what you choose for that particular user, those rights he'll be having. So for example, can he do platform management, can he do user management or role management, or he's not required? So basically you can say yes, user management can be done by the test manager and role management cannot be, so you just uncheck that. All right, so just if you're the administrator of TestLink, you will be having a fair bit of idea depending on what all access rights are required from for that particular level of the user, and then you choose those rights and save the particular role. So now you can see that particular role has been added. Now, because this is the new role that you have created, you can delete this role as well. But the other roles are the default ones that you don't have rights to delete. Now, assign test projects roles. If you click on that, so now assign test project role. In assigning the project role, what exactly you do is you can assign different roles, or different users will be assigned a different role in different project, right? So for example, at the moment I just have one project, but if you have multiple projects, right, so a person can be test lead in one project but a tester in another project. So that is possible in TestLink. So uh, a single person or a single person can have a different role in different projects. So here Gary Jones is tester in RCV Academy demo project, but if there is another project for which you want Gary to be a test lead, you can do that from this test project role admin assignment. The other section is assign test plan role. So test project role and test plan role. Now in test plan role, in a particular project that you have selected in here, then you can go into that particular project and assign different roles to the different plans. So for example, this project has 4 test plans, and Gary is tester in test plan 1, but Gary is a team lead in test plan 2. So you can select test plan 2 from the drop down, and you can select Gary as the leader for test plan 2. So that is possible. So different same person can have different roles in different test plan, and similarly same person can have different roles in different projects as well. Once you are done with these updates, just click on update, and all those role updates and user updates will be applied for that particular user. So hope you like this video. This is a brief about the users and roles in TestLink, and how you can assign test project roles and test plan roles in TestLink. Please do share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.